Hello everyone. Do you know about the most controversial scientific experiment conducted by Stanford University? The Stanford prison experiment, conducted by psychologist Philip Zimbardo, attempted to enhance the understanding of human behavior limits by subjecting college students to an experience of living in a simulated prison. What started as a simple role-playing exercise turned into a turbulent 6-day journey that explored scenes of authority, cruelty, and psychological upheaval. First of all, welcome to our channel, The Research Mind, where we share new and bizarre discoveries in every video. Now, let's get back to today's story, which is about Stanford prison experiment. The Stanford prison experiment remains one of the most notorious and controversial studies in psychology, illuminating the complexities of human behavior, authority, and the effects of role-playing in a simulated environment. Conducted in 1971 by psychologist Philip Zimbardo and his team at Stanford University, the experiment aimed to explore the psychological effects of perceived power and authority in a simulated prison setting. In this groundbreaking study, a group of college students volunteered to participate in a mock prison environment. The volunteers were assigned roles either as prisoners or guards. The simulated prison was built in the basement of the psychology department of Stanford University. What initially was a 2-week experiment had to be abruptly stopped just 6 days later due to the alarming and unexpected behavior exhibited by both the prisoners and the guards. The designated students who were given the role of guards quickly assumed their roles, displaying authoritarian and abusive behavior towards the prisoners. They utilized their perceived power aggressively, enforced strict rules, subjected the prisoners to humiliation, and inflicted mental anguish. The guards became increasingly cruel and abusive, enjoying their control over the prisoners and escalating the situation beyond expectations. On the other hand, the students who were assigned the role of prisoners began to experience deep emotional distress and a sense of helplessness. They resisted against the oppressive conditions, leading to increased unrest and a feeling of rebellion within the simulated prison. The mental and emotional burden on the prisoners became evident as they struggled to cope with the harsh reality of their roles. As soon as the situation went out of control, the ethical boundaries of the experiment started to be breached. The pain and suffering experienced by the prisoners led to the intervention of external authorities. Real law enforcement officers were called upon to establish order and abruptly halt the experiment. The Stanford prison experiment provided insights into the profound impact of social roles and power dynamics on human behavior. It showcased how individuals can adopt and internalize roles, even in a contrived environment, where messages of abusive and unethical behavior resonate. This study raised ethical concerns about participant behavior and sparked debates about the validity and ethical boundaries of psychological experiments involving human subjects. Despite its controversial nature, methodology, and ethical considerations, the Stanford prison experiment has become a significant milestone in understanding the complexities of human behavior. This experiment illustrates the impact of situational factors on individual actions under simulated oppressive conditions. That's all for today, but stay connected with The Research Mind channel for updates on strange science experiments and technology. Thanks for watching.